Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful birthday cake here for a customer, just like the design we made for the church March Bond's birthday cake. So stick and stay with me as I show you everything I do for this cake. But most of the processes is in the first video for the March Bond's birthday cake, so you can check that out. This will just be a touch-up of that video. Let's get started. For today's cake, this cake is just like what we did for the March Bonds for my church. We'll be using the same format, the same design, just that we are going to change the colors. So instead of the purple or mauve, we'll be using pink for the substitution. We'll be using these two vanilla cake layers here, my no sugar, milk and vanilla syrup. We'll be using gold dust and then some edible spirit which we've made into a paint form here. And we also use that to paint our fondant cutouts. This is my perfect American buttercream frosting without coloring, and this we've colored it. Then these are the other ingredients, some sprinkles. We have the cake topper. We'll be using this brush for the design like we did earlier, and the scrapers, the knife, and other important cake decorating stuff, as well as our turntable and cake board here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to assemble the cake layers. We'll cut off the tops, add the syrup, and then we put some frosting in between like we do for most of the videos. So this is how it looks like. I'll smoothen it in the middle parts like so. Place on the next cake layer, do the crumb coating, and then we continue from there. This is how the cake looks like after the crumb coating. I'm going to smoothen it out, and we add the next layer of frosting. So this is it. I'm going to add on the next frosting, and then we continue from there. So I'm going to use the brush to make this beautiful technique. And then I'll do same on the top. And this is how it looks like on the side. This is what we've got. Just like we did for the other one, I'm going to paint the edges in gold just to highlight. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to add the final finishing touches, like the birthday topper we have here, and then these ones, which I'll be securing some with the skewers here, and then we top it with the sprinkles. So I'll place the topper in. So this is the cake and the inscriptions the customer requested for. So I'm going to cover it with this and then the top. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.